Thanks for tuning in today to Naturally Tanya. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a quick second before we get started to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Click that bell right next to it as well so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video. And if you are just returning to my channel, thanks for rocking with your girl. You know I appreciate you guys, and we're gonna get on into today's video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what is in my July glam bag. I am loving the packaging on this bag. I didn't take a look at the contents, but I did go ahead and take the bag out of the packaging. This is what it looks like. It says Stay Golden on the top. We got this nice little detailing here, the bag, and let me see what's inside. And if you are curious about my makeup look or my hair, I will have those videos uploaded for you guys next week, so stay tuned for that. The first item in my glam bag is this Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. This is what this packaging looks like. I like Tarte in general, so I feel like this is probably going to be a win. The next product that I have in here is this Glow on Fifth Beauty Keep It Handy Chamomile Hand Cream. I have not heard of this brand. Let's see if we can get that to focus. It's really, really light packaging. Let's see. It smells really good. It's kind of a really, really light fragrance. Chamomile is not really an overpowering fragrance, so keep that in mind with that. Moving right along, the next item I have is this Mr. Handy makeup brush. It says Motd makeup of the day. That's what I would guess. This is what this brush looks like. I love this packaging. It's like really golden. And these bristles are really nice and soft. Next, I have this Sugar Mini Highlighter in the shade Metal. And this is what this packaging is looking like. This is the outside. And let's see the highlighter on the inside. This is really pretty. I feel like that is gonna go very nicely on the skin for sure. And then the last product in here is this Grace and Stella foaming face wash. It has really fun packaging. This is what it's looking like. Let's get that to focus for y'all. It says there's a foam party on my face and you're invited. It's fragrance and sulfate free. It says you can use it in the morning and nighttime. Massage, warm pump to wet face and rinse off. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted on how I like this. I'm always here for, you know, a good skincare product. And that is pretty much everything in this month's glam bag. I didn't do any add-ons because I'm practicing self-control, and I feel like, you know, I have to limit the amount of things that I'm purchasing, but I'm definitely happy with all the products. I feel like they definitely are on theme with being golden. You have the highlighter. You want to make sure you have, you know, your skincare on hand, this little makeup brush. So I'll definitely leave everything linked in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. And if you're interested in getting your own Ipsy Glambag, I will leave a link for that as well. And that pretty much concludes this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below letting me know what you think of these products, if you've tried any. And of course, share this video with a friend. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all my other shenanigans. And until next time, bye guys.